Hello everyone, welcome back to Me Learning. In the previous video, we learned that matter is made of tiny particles and exist as solids, liquids, and gases. But here's an interesting question. If particles are so tiny, do they stay still or are they always moving? How does perfume spread across a room? Why does ink spread in water? And how can we smell delicious food from far away? In today's video, we'll discover how particles move and mix with each other. Get ready for some amazing science experiments and fun discoveries. Let's begin. Particles of matter are always in motion. This movement is called kinetic motion. In solids, particles cannot move freely. They only vibrate in fixed positions. In liquids, particles move around each other. That is why liquids can flow. In gases, particles move very fast in all directions. That is why gases spread quickly. The mixing of particles on their own is called diffusion. When potassium permanganate is added to water, its particles spread throughout the water. This proves that particles are constantly moving. Gases spread faster because the spaces between particles are very large. In the next video, we'll learn how heat changes solids into liquids and liquids into gases. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.